In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import fonts into Google Slides, a skill that can significantly enhance your presentations and make them stand out. Whether you're working on a business presentation or a school project, having access to a variety of fonts can add a touch of professionalism and creativity to your slides. To get started, you first need to open Google Slides. You can do this by logging into your Google account and navigating to the Google Apps menu, where you'll find Google Slides. Once there, open a new or existing presentation. This is the platform where you'll be adding these dynamic font choices, so it's important to have it ready. Next, you'll want to access the font menu. At the top of the Google Slides interface, you'll see a toolbar. Click on the font icon, which is usually labeled with a default font like Arial. This will open a drop-down menu showing all the fonts currently available in your project. To add new fonts, you'll want to click on the More Fonts option at the bottom of this drop-down. A dialog box labeled Fonts will appear, presenting a vast library of fonts to choose from. Here, you can browse through different categories and styles, such as serif, sans serif, handwriting, or display fonts. Use the search bar at the top if you're looking for something specific. You'll see that each font style is displayed in its distinctive appearance, making it easier to decide which one best fits your presentation's theme. Once you find a font you'd like to import, simply click on it to select it. You can choose multiple fonts in one go. As you select them, they'll automatically be added to your personal font list within Google Slides. After selecting your desired fonts, click OK at the bottom right of the dialog box to finalize your choices. These fonts are now available in your drop-down menu for easy access. Experiment with your new fonts by selecting a text box in your slide and then choosing a new font from your updated list to see how it transforms your presentation. Utilizing different fonts can add unique flair and cohesiveness to your slides, making information stand out or be more appealing to the audience. Remember, the key is to balance creativity with readability. While it's great to have a diverse font selection, sticking to one or two different font styles for headings and body text can ensure that your slides remain professional and easy to follow. And there you have it. With this new expertise, you can personalize and enhance your Google Slides presentations, ensuring they capture attention and effectively communicate your message. Happy presenting!